Hey everyone, we've got a very quick video for you. It's the Corsair Gaming MM100 mouse mat. Just a very simple and small mouse mat, budget friendly for those of you looking for a quick solution. Gonna open it up real quick and we're going to get in on it right away. So Corsair has taken the minimalist approach with this, which is great. Just a mouse mat, and I think we get a little warranty booklet as well on the side. Really nothing too major. Tactile feel is nice. It's got that cloth-like feel, very standard like mouse mat feel with that little Corsair print down the bottom, which is nice, and probably the highlight of this mouse mat because there's really nothing else to it. The back is rubberized and it sticks to a lot of surfaces. I can only imagine how they cut it in the factory. It's not too thick, 3mm thickness. It's 270 by 370, so it's quite small. Great for me because I wanted to fit it in a very particular space, very tight space. We're going to do the mouse check real quick to see how it performs on the surface as well. Got a little trusty test mouse here, which we're going to, try out a little bit on the mat, but it feels very smooth. It's definitely very nice compared to the leather table behind, and the glide is also really, really good. So great mouse mat. Here it is at my family's place. They're very happy to be using it. And yeah, it looks really great. Very simple, very small, and it fits those nice tight spaces. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.